Verifying your Apple Music account is essential to ensure you have access to all features and services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with the Apple ID associated with your Apple Music subscription. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the Free tab. Look for the option that says Account or Settings. Step 3. Check Subscription Status. In the Account Settings, find the section that displays your subscription status. Ensure that your Apple Music subscription is active and that your payment information is up to date. Step 4. Verify email address. If prompted, check your email for a verification message from Apple. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your email address associated with your Apple Music account. Step 5. Restart the app. After verifying your email, close the Apple Music app completely and then reopen it. This will refresh your account status and ensure that all features are accessible. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Apple Music account and enjoy uninterrupted access to your favorite music.